There is no edition today. So this your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. So I talked about this indicator. If you watch my previous video on this channel, you can like this channel, you can be following, you can subscribe if you like it, because I even have a goodie that I want to release very soon. I have a very good thing that can change your financial, status to better, you know, very soon. Probably this week, I'm gonna release the video. Okay, so I said nothing that nobody has been learning, and we have been making cool cash from it. So I will advise you to like this video and subscribe so that you can get the information, because the video is going to stay for like 24 hours on this channel. Once I release it, then after 24 hours we're going to remove it. You just want to use it to help few people. Okay, so now let's go straight to this business today. For the business today, all right, so as you can see here, we got this has been coming down. As you don't know how to, so we talk about the window, this down window, that have oversold and overbought area. Okay, you can see it has overbought since it has overbought before here, and we have the what is it, we have this confirmation entry, then they enter all the way from that place, and you can see it pull back here, and come back to the same level. That is why we like this tool, because once you oversold, show you the oversold, okay, it's, it won't go above the level of the oversold. You can shoot us more and come back. So you can see it's go to this place and it retraced back. Okay, when you retrace back and retrace, and at the end of the day it did about 180 pips. Okay, and it got to oversold area here. It got oversold area here. You can see it has just touched the oversold area here, and we have some very wide support here. We have a very wide support here. You can see the one that entered above was on the very resistance. Okay, and this is we have our entry at very wide support, and as you can see, it has even oversold, so that we have entered it already. Okay, and as you can see already, it has delivered about 40 pips. Okay, about 35 pips rather. Okay, and it's still coming to this place. This market is still coming to this place. It's going to do over 190 pips. Still going to do over 190 pips. This is AUD NZD. This is AUD NZD. You can start monitoring it. Okay, you can start monitoring it. You don't know when it will get there, but that is where the market is going. Okay, that is where the market is going. So now let's check another one. This is CAD, Canadian dollar, Swiss francs. Okay, this is CAD CHF. Okay, that is CAD CHF. As you can see, we already wrote this one. We have been riding this one actually, and it has gotten to the take profit. Okay, this is the take profit. This is where we marked as our take profit. Okay, so this is where we mark as our take profit. So it has been trading all the way from here. It has been trading all the way from here. Okay, so it has been trading all the way from here, and it has done about 200 pips. Okay, it has done about 200 pips since on the 31st of that June 31st. That is where it has been on back. Okay, that is CAD CHF. Okay, CAD CHF. So now it's already it has got to oversold level. It has gotten to oversold level. So we're expecting the confirmation. Okay, we're expecting the confirmation before we, and of course it can still go above our own take profits. It might still go above our own, but these are our take profits, and it has gotten there. Okay, so now let's check another one. Okay, this is Canadian CAD JPY. This is CAD JPY. So as you can see, that we are already in down sell market. Okay, sell order. We're already in sell order here. We're already in sell order here because that's overbought here. It's overbought here, and we waited for the confirmation. We got a confirmation entry here, Got into the fund confirmation entry. These are take profit. Okay, these are take profit. These are take profits. Okay, these are take profits, and so got in here, then it retraced back, come retrace back. So we're still expecting it to come down to those, so to do 120 pips. Okay, so this is card JPY. Today is 7th of September 2020, so you can check and monitor it. Okay, you can monitor it. You still can monitor the market like that. So let me check this. Okay, oh, this is CHF JPY. CHF JPY. Yeah, we have the market has got into the take profit here. So okay, the market has got into take profit here. So now it has overbought here. It has overbought here. Okay, if overbought here, then we wait for the confirmation arrow here came out here. So we'll enter all the way from here. We enter all the way from here, and you can see there was pullback of about 35 pips, pullback of about 35 pips. Okay, this is the pullback of 35 pips, and it retraced back, then at the end of the day come to do 123 pips. Okay, so we did 123 pips, guys. So no, so now it has got into the oversold area. That's got into oversold area. Okay, oversold area. So we're expecting it, and it might still go down a little bit, but we are already out of this market. Okay, already out of this market, so it might still go then. It might still go then it might turn back. What if you have entry arrow here? Okay, you can buy. Okay, so let's check. So this is Euro USD. Okay, this is Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, so the Euro USD was got to oversold area, overbought area here. It got to the overbought area here. Okay, see, it got to the overbought area here. Then we have the confirmation arrow all the way from here. We got the confirmation arrow here. Got in the confirmation arrow here, then we started selling. You can see we got one buy arrow here, but we can't enter this buy arrow because why? This is just a pullback. This is just a pullback. Okay, guys, this is just a pullback. This is just a pullback. This is just a pullback. So the arrow is still going down. It's still going down. All right, it's still going down. The market is still going down. So we are still entering. We are still in sell. Go and check. We are still in sell. You can see that's done about 190 something pips before. Okay, so but the market is still going down. This one is just a pullback. So we know when to buy. This to make you to know when to buy, when to sell. Then it teaches you how to have patience, so that you not just be jumping into the market and end your trade into loss. So this indicator can help you to build your little, even small capital. Can help you to build a small capital. Can help you to make a lot of profit from forex markets, even without any knowledge. Okay, so that is what we have for you this today, to just to know that you still have hope in forex market. Okay, so thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. All right, goodbye.